Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this super easy, like slipping into fall, pink, smoky brown kind of look. So if you would like to see how I did this, please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I already did was my eyebrows, and I used the Gimme Brows by Benefit along with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the brow pomade. So I did that on the eyes, and I used the Benefit in number one, and in Anastasia I used Taupe. And then the second thing I went ahead and did was I went ahead and did my moisturizer and line corrector, and I used these two, which are from Clinique. This is the line correcting serum, and then this is the Clinique Acne Solutions. I love this stuff. It's amazing. And then I added a little bit of the Moisture Surge, and this is really great. This is also from Clinique. And it's really great when you've got any kind of like dry little patches or anything like that. So I added a little bit of that just to make sure it's extra soft. The first thing I'm going to use is the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, my favorite. And I've just been using my finger recently to just go in and start tapping that onto. So first we're going to go into the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar. What it looks like on the inside. And we're going to go in with the colors Banana Date. Banana Date, which is right here. It's this taupey color. And we're going to sweep that all over the eyes using a big old Morphe brush. Next, we're going to go into the Too Faced Clover palette, and we're going to use this color right here, which is called Paw Print. It's a really, really pretty taupey, almost kind of purpley kind of color. Going back into the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar, we're going to go over to the far corner and use this one. It's called Chocolate Syrup. We're going to sweep that into the outer corner, but from the center of the eye out to the outer corner, using the same brush. Start darkening it up, we're going to go into the Best Year Ever Too Faced palette, and we're going to use this color right here, which means using that same palette, we're going to start building back into the center of the eye using this color right here, which is called Love Actually. To start building into the inner corner, I'm going to use this color on the very end, which is called Marshmallow. And I'm going to use this little rounded tipped Sephora brush. Going back into the Too Faced White Chocolate, I'm going to use this color right here, which is like a sparkly pink, and it's called Raspberry Rose. And I'm going to use that same Sephora brush. To start blending out the crease, I'm going to use this tipped Sephora brush right here. And I'm going to go into the white chocolate palette again, and I'm going to use cookie dough right here, mixed with a little bit of that original color, Banana Date. And then to blend up into the eyebrow, I'm going to use this top color right here, which is called Glaze. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liner, and this is in black, or intense black, as they say. Intense black. So I'm going to hold off on lashes because I'm going to do mine just natural, no falsies today because I've got a new product that I'm going to share. And I always do my mascara at the end. So we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation. But first I'm going to prime my face. And I got this little new product right here. This is from Smashbox. This is the Redness Reduce Redness Photo Finish Primer because I have a lot of red undertones in my skin, and sometimes that comes out while I am trying to build my foundation. So I've just been doing like a little pea size like that, and it like does come out like green. And then I've been mixing that with my favorite primer, which is the MAC Prep and Prime Pink Radiance. And I've been doing a pump of that just to get a good combination. And then I just move this together like this. I've worn this a couple of times now, and I really liked it. They have a couple of different kinds. This in the Smashbox Photo Finish. So depending on like what issues you might have with your skin, they have a different one that could work for you. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my trusty Pro Longwear by MAC. This is the one that I normally wear like most every day. Sometimes I change it up, but this is a staple for me. Take a big old wet beauty blender and just pop it in. So to conceal, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. It's like sometimes the hardest thing for me to say. I feel like it rhymes. And this is in Fair, and I'm just going to go in and start concealing things out here under my eyes. We're going to set all this down using the MAC Studio Fix, and this one is an NW15. I kind of change it up depending on what time of year it is and how pale I am. So I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It's just a flat kind of buffer out kind of brush. And I just do a light veil all over my face. To carve out my cheekbones and contour, I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Making Faces palette. This is the contour kit. And I'm going to go in with the top one. You can see this is the one. Make the stupidest face. It helps. For blush, I'm going to use the Tarte Amazon Clay 12-hour blush, and this, if I can open it, is in Tarte. You can see it's pretty much already gone. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Pressed Powder, and this is in Pearl, this nice white, and I'm actually getting down to the bottom of this. I have loved it. I'm going to use this fan brush here. See, that's just so then to blend all of this in, I'm going to go back with my Studio Fix and that same brush that I used before and blend it all together. So my next new product is something that I was so excited to get. It is the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. It's gorgeous on the inside, on the outside. The box is gorgeous. I think I still have the box somewhere. Look at that. You can't even, like, So I just got this like the other day, and I started layering it on top of my highlighter just to be extra. And it's actually worked out really nicely. It's just like you can put it anywhere. It's like a body balm, but yeah. And add just the littlest touch. Add a little bit more through the cheekbone. Little sparkles in my cheeks because I love that. You can see it is just blinding. So pretty. So the next new product I got recently is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I see a lot of this on YouTube, and it's really expensive, and I just haven't wanted to break the bank and buy it because I've got some really good ones, you know, ones that I think are just good alternatives that I've tried, because I've tried this in the store before. And it's fabulous. But so when the local Sephora redid their layout, they added a really, really nice new section of like the minis and things like that. And this was one of them. And it feels like just butter going onto your skin. It's so soft and nice. So I'm going to go back and do my mascara now, and I have got a new product that I've been really enjoying. It's the Benefit They're Real Lash Primer. And this is really great when you just don't want to wear falsies and you've got like a busy day and you want, you know, your lashes to look long and luxurious, but you know, you're not trying to put in like all that effort. And you can actually wear it on its own because it's brown. It's not like the white lash primer, but you can also double it up, which I'm going to do with the Too Faced waterproof mascara because I always wear waterproof. Never know what's going to happen. And I only put the lash primer on the top of my lashes, just because I don't feel like the bottom ones really need it. And I always let that dry for just a second before I put on mascara. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC Matte Honey Love lip color. And I'm like almost to the bottom of this one. I absolutely love this color. And I line my lips with Soap Culture, which is also by MAC. I use this little lip brush to help get all the color out because I don't want to waste any product. So the new product I have for lips is the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Diamond Milk. And just as a pale girl, the pink Fenty Bomb color, I have that, and I love that. But this is like literally a milky white, shiny, beautiful color, and it is perfect for fair skin tones. You really don't need a lot of it. You can just pop that into the center, and it smells amazing. And my last new product is a finishing setting spray, and it's the Urban Decay De-Slick. During the summertime, it's been like so hot in the south, and so this is really, really great to help keep your makeup look amazing when it's like, you know, humid and all kinds of stuff outside. Alright guys, so that will do it. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of me, please subscribe down at the bottom. And I will see you soon. Alright, bye!